I'm currently making my way up to the fortress, so I'm walking all the way up the hill. Hey guys, happy 2021. This is my first time filming in 2021. So we are gonna go to Ikea. We're gonna pick up a lot of stuff. We're actually gonna buy a closet for our entry into our apartment because we still need a wardrobe there. And we're also gonna buy... Mario's making funny faces and he's just trying to make me laugh. We're also picking up a shelf for our bathroom, and then we basically have most of the furniture we need. So we're really excited. Stores are closed, but like ordering online and picking stuff up right there at the store, like curbside pickup, is possible. So we're really glad that that's possible. And tomorrow is Mario's last day off before he's going back to work. So he's on leave right now. So we're trying to get everything ready until then. This is what we're currently dealing with. We have our shoes on the shoe rack, and our coats and jackets are hanging on this little, well, whatever it is. It's not beautiful, it's not pretty. We're glad that we're getting rid of it. We just got back from Ikea. There's stuff everywhere. Is it hard work? So we're getting some there. Good morning, today's Thursday. So the last few days we spent a lot of time building that furniture, actually setting everything up, putting everything together. It's not completely finished, but it's almost finished. So yesterday was a national holiday, so we couldn't just hammer and make a lot of noise and use a drill, because it's not allowed on national holidays and Sundays here to make a lot of noise. So that's why we have to finish everything today. So Mario is actually back at work, and while he's at work, I am gonna go on a walk. It actually snowed, so we haven't had snow this winter yet here in Salzburg. So it snowed for the first time. It was yesterday. Why did I think it was 2 days ago? It was yesterday. We got really lucky because when we picked up our furniture, there was no snow. So we didn't have to deal with all of, the slush on the streets. So it snowed yesterday, and then today I'm just gonna go for a little walk, show you guys around. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna walk. I'm not sure how cold it actually is, but I wanna show you guys what Salzburg is like in the wintertime. So let's go. So this is part one of our closet. It's looking good. I like it a lot. I feel like it's very classy with the white exterior and then the silver handles right here. And then this is the second part of the closet. We still need to fix this and finish it. So the back is still a little loose because we were not allowed to use a hammer yesterday. So let's see what we can do about this another day, maybe today. It's the winter wonderland. So basically there's no one around. So they're doing some construction over there. So that's what you're hearing in the background. But I haven't seen anyone going for a walk or anything. I think it's too cold. It's not that cold. It's probably around 0 degrees, so 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So 0 centigrade, that is. And yeah, it's just nice and peaceful. Oh, there's actually someone going for a walk on the other side of the river. The river is called Salzburg. It runs through Salzburg, and yeah, it's snowy, but there's not that much snow. Probably maybe 2 to 3 inches, something like that. I'm currently making my way up to the fortress, so I'm walking all the way up the hill. or mountain, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going a long route. I could have just gone to the city center, walked right back home, but I wanted to film this for you guys. So I'm going up the hill. There's snow all around. Look at that. I'm currently walking up to Richterhöhe, which is this, basically it's a lookout and you can see the mountains. So I hope it's not too cloudy because there are some clouds back there hanging in the mountains. So I'm just hoping that you're still gonna be able to see something. How cute are these little snowmen? Like, look at them. They're tiny. Like, this is my hand. And that's the snowman. There's another one right here. There is Salzburg in the back down there. This is one of my favorite spots in Salzburg. So you can see the city and the fortress is all the way over there. I'm almost back down, so it'll only take me like 30 minutes to get back home, so I'm almost back home, I guess. I just got back home from my walk. It ended up being a 10-kilometer walk, which is a little over 6 miles. So it was quite a long walk, but it was very fun because the temperatures were not too bad. Like I said, they were in the 30s in Fahrenheit, around 0 degrees centigrade. So it really wasn't too bad. I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here because I actually need to edit this vlog and it's already Thursday and I still need the rest of the week to get everything done with the apartment, with our entryway and that kind of stuff. Like I told you guys, I am gonna film an apartment tour very soon, but I want everything to be somewhat finished before I do so because I don't really want to show the unfinished apartment, if that makes sense. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all of the scenic clips of Salzburg while it was, well, snowy outside. It wasn't snowing today, but there was still a cover of snow on like everything. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you click on the little red button down there so that you don't miss any videos. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.